Hello diecast fans, welcome back to Diecast Automobiles. This is part 2 of the Hot Wheels character cars, Looney Tunes. So I had some requests from the fans and friends to see if we can showcase the other Looney Tune characters. So I had to go to the store again to check out if they had. Luckily I got 3 of 6 and 5 of 6, which is Wile E. Coyote and Tasmanian Devil. Thomas is fine.
Hello, I'm Thomas. I'm ready to be really useful.
So talking Thomas. So the collection is, we have 4 out of the 6. The missing 2 ones are this Roadrunner and Marvin the Martian. So I'll have Ari and Dikshu unbox them for you. Hi. It's Tasmanian Devil.
Oh, okay, there. And that was a bit hard. Okay. Do we need this? Nope. So this is Tasmanian Devil car. So it has sharp dark teeth, then brown wheels, like wood patterned a bit, and then that's white color and has its nose and its whiskers. And it's glittery. Has a seat inside, and then it's like, what is it called? I don't know. Eyes. Oh, looks like it's wearing sunglasses. It's eyes?
Yep. Looks like one of those monster trucks. Here we are, Wile E. Coyote.
This is Wile E. Coyote, and I'm going to open it. Not Wiley! Get Wiley out of there! Wiley. Oh, Wiley. And here is Wile E. Coyote. It has its nose over here. It has this like golden color eyes. And there's a bunch of TNT.
Bunch of TNT. Yes, he's always
For
biggest one.
for eating Roadrunner.
eating Roadrunner. Huh? He never succeeds.
And there's black wheels for it. It runs very nice. You hear the sound, Max?
Okay, thank you Dikshu and Ari for your reviews.
You're welcome.
So guys, please like the video, subscribe and share with your friends. This is part 2 of the Looney Tunes character cars from Hot Wheels. Bye bye, have a good day.